Welcome once again to Project Automation and Control using Power BI. Today, we are going to look at Module 4. In Module 4, we'll discuss data visualization using Power BI. Remember, in Module 3, we discussed about how to create templates and how to display the template in Power BI. Enjoy Project Automation. Let me quickly open my Power BI. This is where we stopped in our last class. We're able to display this template. Today, we want to display our visuals, okay? If you look at this particular bar on the Power BI, you will find out that there's what called visualization. You can collapse it, you can expand it, okay? You also find out the next column, you will see the data column. Here, you can collapse as well, you can also expand it. So this is your data, this is the object that you will use to visualize it. First of all, let me say, for instance, I want to display my project start date, okay? So I can pick a card, I right click, a card is up, I position the card, you can resize it, I can drag the card and position the card here, okay? I just simply go to I'll go to the baseline start date, I will drag it here on top of the card, okay? Automatically, you see my start date has displayed. So if you look at it here, you see Monday, January 1st, 2024. If I open my Power BI, if I open my P6 and I check my start date here, you see it, baseline start date, January 1st, 2024. Okay, I can go back to my Power BI. Okay, I can format this, reduce the size, change the color. Let me reduce this font size. So this is call out value. I change this to, let's say, 25. So the size has changed, okay? I can also change the font color. I can use another color, 13. I can make it bold. Yeah. So I can change this particular, I can remove this display. Let me minimize it a little bit. I can remove the earlier baseline date that you can see under it. So by offing the category label, I off the category label. I can give it a title. I click on general, I click on title, I on the title, and under the title, I type, under title text, I type project start date. Project start date. Okay. So automatically, you can see there, I can position it center. You see my project start date here. I want a demarcator. I can put a divider. I can change the color of the divider. Okay, I can increase the divider. Let me make it 3 so it becomes more thick. Okay, I can also change, if I want to put header, I can increase the font. I can make it 30 or 25 as well. So you see the header has increased. Okay, yeah, it's already good. Okay, yeah, so I can leave it like this. So I can also I can use a bar chart. Okay, I can use a bar chart. This is a bar chart. Let's say, for instance, I want to display the WBS and the amount of budget money attached to it. Okay, I go here, I pick the WBS. You see WBS name, I put it under legend. Okay, right, I go back to the budgeted cost, I will put it under value. Okay, so automatically you see something like this. I can now view the WBS based on each WBS and their cost. Okay, so I can also say I want to see my activities. So perhaps I will bring out something like table. I will bring out something like table. So I display this table here. I will display this table here. Okay. So in this table, I will display, first thing I will display is the activity name. I will display activity name. Okay. I will also display baseline start date. Okay, you see the date. I don't like the date in this mode. You click on this drop down arrow and you select base date on the side to remove the quarterly and then the yearly you are seeing. So you just see something like this. Okay, I'll also put baseline end date, finish date. I will do the same thing. Click on this drop down and I will click on base end date. So maybe I want to check the amount budgeted per activity, I will say base cost. I'll put my base cost here. Okay. I will expand this so that you can see it. So you now see for each activity that is here, you will see the cost attached to it. Okay, we have a total cost per activity. All right, so I can let me format this as well. I go to format, I go to type preset. Let me choose a certain preset. Let me use this. So you can see it is now looking pretty. So basically, this is just how to display visuals, right? We will talk more about formatting our visuals in our um, future classes, right? Yeah, we'll discuss more about formatting. Okay, but for now, this is just how to display your visual. So for the case of this course, we will stop here and see you in the next module. Please remember to subscribe to our channel so that you will get more updates and you'll be notified as we upload different modules of this course. Thanks and bye for now.